Good morning students, मैं जगतार सिंह working as a computer faculty government senior secondary school Channo. The last topic was applications of computers. Nowadays we can start a new topic characteristics of a computer. As we know that a computer is very useful machine. It has many characteristics as described below, like that speed, reliability, accuracy, diligence, memory, logical versatility and automations. Speed. The speed of computer is very fast. Computer can work very fast. It takes only few seconds for calculations that we take hours to complete. We will be surprised to know that a computer can perform millions of instructions and even more per second. The second one is accuracy. The degree of accuracy of a computer is very high and every calculation is performed with the same accuracy. The errors in computer are due to human and inaccurate data because in whatsoever manners data and instructions are fed into computer, it processes the data and instructions in the same manner. Like that you see in the picture, a man can make mistakes, a computer does not make any mistake. Which you fed the data, that will be he got the output. Diligence. A computer is free from tiredness, lack of concentration, fatigue, etc. It is can work for hours without creating any error. Ready to work always. Versatility. It means that capacity to perform completely different types of work. We may use our computer to do calculations and on the same time we may use it for inventory management or the prepare sales, purchase bills and listening the songs. In versatility, many of types of work are done same time. That is, we can downloading anything at that same time. We can typing on computer at same time. We can listen music in our system. The fifth is the automation. Once the instructions are fed into computer, it works automatically on it without any human interventions. It works till the completions. It executes the programs until it meets logical instructions to terminate the job. This is the very speedy work done by the computer. The sixth is storage. The computer has an inbuilt memory where it can store a large amount of data. We can also store data in secondary storage devices such as CDs, DVDs and USB pen drive, and you can use this data one place and you can check this data from one place to another place. The next, thank you. This is the very short topic for today's. That was the characteristics of computers. In next day we can meet with the new tabs. Thanks a lot.